Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Miskun Salam. I am here as of the moderator of the team number 2, which consists of 5 people. Here we will discuss of introduction of robotic.
Definition of robot. The term robot first appeared in 1921 in Carol Capek's play Razum Universal Robot. The word robot comes from the Czech word robota, which means forced labor. The term robotics comes from Isaac Asimov's 1942 sci-fi short film Run Run. Later, Isaac Asimov included novel in his highly acclaimed book I, Robot. A robot is a mechanical device that can perform tasks either under human supervision and control or with the help of a predefined program. In general, robots should have the following characteristics. A natural robot, able to understand environmental conditions, able to deal with objects in its environment. You have a certain level of intelligence, ability to make decisions based on the environment, automatically controlled, programmable, can move with one or more action for turning and moving, can make well-coordinated movements.
Okay, point number 2, history of robotic. Excellency in robotic technology has undeniably long been an icon of pride for developed countries in the world. The sophistication of technology, the tall building, the sky, the high level of welfare of the people. The modern cities do not feel complete without the popularity of experiences in the world of robotics. The first research and development that result in a robotic product can be tracked back to the 1914s when Argonne National Laboratories in the Oak Ridge, America, introduced a robotic mechanism called the master slave manipulator. This robot was used to handle radioactive material. Then, the first commercial robot product were introduced by Unimation Incorporated, America in the 1915. Over the years, this commercial move been followed by other companies. However, it's written in Sliver Source, intensive research in the field of robotic technology and the desire to make robotic a scientific discipline. At that time had not been thought of. It wasn't until the world began to move into the industrial age in the mid-16 that the need for automation became more prevalent. It was then the robotic was accepted as the new discipline that accompanied the basic sciences and engineering that had been established before.
And then my name is Muhammad Ilmi Syahrul Mubarak, NIM 2166154. And 3. Purpose and of function of robot. Purpose: highly efficient workforce capable of working 24 hours a day will be created. Perform work that required high precision. The place of people in repeated work, able to work in places that are dangerous for humans, as a means of entertainment for the community. Function: industry robots are assigned to automate production, welding, assembling, and packaging processes. The use of robot in industry is considered better because they can do half work that humans cannot do. Medical paramedics and doctors as robots to thrive fashion. So far, the robot products are most surgical robots because they can help doctor achieve precision in surgery. Serving robots are designed to serve people or take over some tasks that people do every day. Toy of pet robots are assigned to toy or pets. Education robot raise purpose is to facilitate learning the best function and operating machines of the robot. Such robot also encourage people to get more involved in the development of robot in the future.
Types of robots. Number 1. Humanoid. Description: resemble a human with 2 legs and arm like a person. Capabilities: designed to mimic human, movements and tasks. Can walk, pick up objects, and interact with the environment. Number 2. Animal. Description: resemble an animal, behaves and moves like an animal. Capabilities: can mimic animal behavior and movement. Use in biological research, exploration, and entertainment. And next, mobile. Description: can move dynamical from point to point. It has movement tools such as well and legs. Capabilities: like mobility, used for exploration, logistic, and transportation. Can move across various terrains and environments. Next, fixed. Description: cannot move from one place to another. It is stationary and difficult to move. Example: industrial robots. Capabilities: designed for statistic tasks, often used manufacturing for high precision and repetitive work. Thank you.
Number 5 component of a robot. Number 1 microcontroller, a chip that functions as an electronic gear controller and can usually store program. It typically consists of a CPU, central processing unit, memory, specific I/O unit, and supporting unit such an analog to digital converter. Number 2 actuator, function like mostly is human. Its task is to move the robot. While the robot typically use DC motor to turn wheel and move the robot. For walking robot, servo motor are a suitable choice. Hydraulic and pneumatic channel are also used to operate robot. Number 3 sensor. Just as humans have sense, robots have sensor. There are many types of robot sensor. Humans have only 5 sense, but robots can have an unlimited number of sensors as they are electronic creatures and technology evolves rapidly. Number 4 battery. The power source for robot. Just as the human brain needs nutrition and the body needs carbohydrates or vitamin, electricity is the lifeblood of robot, providing the energy needed for control, sensor, actuator, and all electronic components. Number 5 frame. Acts as the skeleton supporting the servos in the robot and shape the robot into various forms, enhancing the robot appearance.
Okay, the conclusion of the following discuss are robotic are mechanical device that can perform tasks under human supervision of with the help of definite programs. They can interact with the environment, make decisions based on condition, and be controlled automatically. The main purpose of robotics include improving labor efficiency, replacing repetitive and dangerous job for human, and being used in first field search and industry, medicine, service, and education. Type of robot include humanoid, animaloid, mobile, and fixed, each with different characteristics and capabilities. The main component of robot include microcontroller, actuator, sensor, batteries, and framers that support the structure and performance of the robot. With the development technology, the role and preference of robot are increasingly widespread and vital in various aspects of modern life.